how does that relate to music? I guess it's metaphorical. It's all metaphor. I guess the whole point for this Nash equilibrium subconsciously popping up in my head was to state that I guess it's to postulate that if I'm going to at least try to find a commonality between two disparate concepts, I have to converge them. That confluence is really contingent on a metaphor. Yeah, metaphors. So basically, if you have an incongruity, or call it a juxtaposition of incongruity, and you want to merge incompatibility, the most simplest way to do it, to merge incompatibility, is to find a metaphorical commonality. They share metaphorical or analogical commonality. They share. Yeah. That's it. I think Nash equilibrium is basically, don't hold this against me, the linguistic formula is each player can derive to their most desired, effective, efficient, and optimal desired results if